Cheat 9. I think I've sort of gotten it now. Good enough that I can maybe make a video on it. I'm just gonna go straight into it and say what you should train for Cheat 9. 1, a tornado. So if you can get a nice tornado and you want to replicate the last bit, the same. So you want to go up the left, kick your door. Other thing is backside 9 helps loads. It helps you with the timing, the spotting, just everything really, and you can do it out of heaps of different moves, which is pretty much a Cheat 9 without the cheat down. And what I mean is, the only difference that makes this easier is because you can torque yourself before you take off, which makes Cheat 9 hard because you've got to time that torque and the cheat step together. And that's just a whole different story. So with just the back 9, pretty much a pop tornado. So you can do a tornado from here. So it's just the same thing, but you go pop, tornado. You start with the front side one, so you can take away about 180 degrees of turn. So you can progress into a straight leg. And then the back side, which is facing left foot forward for me, hips facing this way. Oh, sorry. The one that was probably the best help so far is a scoot 9, scoot vanish 9 to be more precise. 1, 2, and the scoot just helps you bring more power up for more time in the air. That's more what I sort of found helps, just the timing and just the spotting as well. I put that together, scoot. You can cheat it with the scoot, which is what I do. When I do a scoot, I come around, I sort of pivot a little bit, and the right foot comes around like this, and then I go. So it's only 360 as opposed to a cheat step, which is a little bit more, nearly 9 degrees more. Cheat 9. All right, attempt to do one and break it down from there. You see, my problem is I'm leaning too much. Yeah, that was it. Kicks is just repetition, 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 repetition. So the biggest thing that helped me transition from Cheat 7 to 9. If you watch my left leg, instead of popping it up for Cheat 7, I'm popping it out like this, like a wrap sort of motion. And that just helps the rotation. That helps so much for the rotation. The only problem is when I pull it out, it makes me want to travel that way a little bit, and it's making me lean. You see I'm leaning, I'm like, kick. Alright, keep it straight, spot my target, pump, round. Still off balance, body straight. Let's try to get the hips and the shoulders in one line, because yeah. Also spotting a target, I'm spotting this telephone pole behind the camera. Also spotting the camera, but it's a bit low, so I'm spotting up a bit. The second stop up there, so it's about 2 meters high. Oh. Someone said, if you enjoy kicks, you'll never like yours. And that is true. Trash. Still less trashy combo with a better Cheat 9. Oh, that's both trash. That was a disgusting call. God, that was atrocious. That was still crap. Yeah, that was a nice Cheat 9 too, I think. I'm not nitpicking my Cheat 9s, I'm nitpicking the parking scoot. Anyways, Cheat 9 video. It's a kick, like I said. I'll never be happy with my kicks, especially with my flexibility. If you made it this far at the end of the video, some quick tips. with the step. When you come up with the pump, don't pump it straight, pump it out. And you back, you go, come around, spot, really drill scoop Vanish 9 and back 9 and tornado, but scoop Vanish 9, back 9, that's where it's at. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. I'm very lazy with my videos, so I will see you in the next one. I wish I could say every week, but I can't.